close there's a giant hole in Antarctica and scientists aren't sure why. Nathan Russo-Smith at Fantastic Nate reports. Buzz 60 A huge mysterious hole has been spotted in sea ice near Antarctica, researchers reported this week. The hole, which was detected about a month ago, is roughly 30,000 square miles at the size of the state of Maine. It's the largest hole spotted in the Weddell Sea since the 1970s, scientists say. In the depths of winter, for more than a month, we've had this area of open water, and more, professor of physics at the University of Toronto, Mississauga, told National Geographic. Autonomous float deployed in 2015 has resurfaced unexpectedly inside Polonia, started transmitting data https://.cognitivoy@nsfpic.twitter.com. The Antarctic Report at Antarctic Report October 12, 2017. The months of June, July and August are winter in the southern hemisphere. This is the second year in a row that scientists have seen such a massive hole in Antarctica's sea ice, though this one is bigger than the one from last year. The phenomenon is called the Polonia, which is an area of persistent open water where one would expect to find solid sea ice, according to the National Snow and Ice Data Center. Antarctic Sea Ice Freeze Season in Review. Look for the formation of the Weddell Polonia. Extent remains well below average colored lines. pic.twitter.com Hundva Zach Labert October 2, 2017. The hole was detected using a robotic float that's capable of operating underneath sea ice. In September, one of these floats surfaced inside the Polonia, providing unique data on its existence. Satellite images further confirmed its appearance. Moore worked with members of the Southern Ocean Carbon and Climate Observations and Modeling Project to investigate Polonias and their climate impacts. It's just remarkable that this Polonia went away for 40 years and then came back, Moore said. Amazing how the Weddell Polonia withstands steers the local sea ice dynamic. Winds can seem to close it. pic.twitter.com K6TV, Thomas Laverne at Lavigno September 26, 2017. Without the insulating effect of sea ice cover, a Polonia allows the atmosphere and ocean to exchange heat, momentum and moisture, leading to significant impacts on the climate. The research has not yet appeared in a peer-reviewed scientific journal, as the satellite images were just taken in September, according to University of Toronto, Mississauga spokeswoman Nicole Weil. However, the researchers are submitting this work to the British journal Nature. She said, scientists aren't sure what this Polonia will mean for Antarctica's oceans and climate, and whether it is related to climate change, according to National Geographic. The mid-1970s featured an even larger Polonia. There is a nice recent summary from at NASA Earth at https://.co2sconsic3d2. Fascinating. pic.twitter.com Pedbitch Zach Labert October 2, 2017. We don't really understand the long-term impacts this Polonia will have, Moore told the magazine. More massive iceberg nearly the size of Delaware breaks off Antarctica, but from these new ocean measurements, along with space-based observations and climate models, the secrets of the Polonias and their impacts on the climate may finally be revealed. It's been quite a year for ice-related news. At the bottom of the world, one of the largest icebergs, estimated at 1 trillion ton, ever recorded, broke off from an ice shelf in Antarctica in July, and this week, a paper in the journal Geophysical Research Letters found that warming oceans are dramatically undermining the integrity of an important floating ice shelf in West Antarctica, Quartz magazine reported. Reader share this story https://usat.li2wuyo.